PSI brand in-mold graphics become fully molded into the product during the molding cycle and finish flush with the surface on the part. These solid in-mold graphics featuring PTAC promote even easier application. Once molded, the adhesive is simply peeled from the face of the graphic. PSI brand in-mold graphics are self-adhesive and are simply applied to the inside surface of the mold prior to molding. The typical tool used for the application of in-mold graphics is a hard rubber-faced roller. We will now run through the application with you. Step 1. Remove the transparent backing from the graphic, exposing the pre-coated self-adhesive face of the graphic. Step 2. Carefully apply the graphic to the selected part of the mold. These graphics can be applied to both hot and cold molds. Step 3. Using your hand, work from one end of the graphic to the other to avoid trapping any air. Trapped air will cause air bubbles in the graphic surface. Check at this point that the graphic is correctly positioned. If it is incorrectly placed, it can simply be peeled from the mold, then reapplied. Step 4. Using a firm rubber-faced roller, apply even pressure over the whole graphic to ensure that the adhesive has full contact with the mold surface. If correct adhesion is not achieved, this may cause small dimples or sunken areas in the graphic once molded. Continue with the molding cycle. Avoid overcooking the product, as this can cause the graphic pigments to discolor. If molding large open-type products such as troughs, tanks, etc. with large quantities of powder, it may be necessary to reduce rotation speed or apply the graphic to a recessed area in the mold. Step 5. You'll now notice the adhesive has separated from the graphic. Remove the adhesive film from the graphic or mold surface and discard. Using in-mold graphics with PTAC removes the need to clean residue from the graphic or mold. This in-mold graphic is now permanently molded to the plastic part, which will stand up to almost anything you can throw at it. These graphics feature superior resistance to harmful UV rays, harsh outdoor environments and exposure to chemicals, surface abrasion, and many other demanding end-user applications. Thank you for choosing PSI brand. Please contact us if you have any questions.